It's almost 1. Quit raining for a minute. Or slow down. Thought I'd grab another video. Sign back there across the gravel road. Sign back there said about 6.5 miles to Mount Rogers. So it's about a half mile back. This trail's not too bad shape. No standing water, but not too slick. Rocky for the last four miles or so. Gotten a lot rockier. Still not bad though. Pretty easy going. Been climbing all morning. But now we're going down into a gap before we climb up on Mount Rogers. Let's see. So anyway, my feet are wet, soaked, and well, everything's soaked, but hope we can find some place if it stops raining where I can sit down, wring my socks out, wring my shirt out, eat some lunch here. I'm getting hungry. I'm really kind of looking for a place to sit out of the rain, honestly. I looked through the guide last night. I can't remember if there's a shelter up here or not. I know there's one just past Mount Rogers. Anyway, I can't remember. I don't have my phone guide because my phone's in the pack, in the dry bag. Trying to keep it dry. So I'll check it when I find a dry spot to sit down at. If I don't find anything in the next 45 minutes, I'll probably just plop down on a stump or a log somewhere and go ahead and eat. Getting hungry.